What up? It's the Kid Cool G. We live at Club Atrium. This is the place to be every Sunday. You already know. My man Ed Norlo behind the camera. Right here, I got my man Top Lemon in the building. I got my dude Peke Jean-Philippe. I got my dude Jay Beats. And we got some celebrities in here. They hiding, but it's all good though. You already know. I got my nigga Lou Baby live in the building hiding. It's all good. This is how we do. Atrium is the place. You live and you also hiding. But don't worry, this is how we do it, man. Gade Munyo. Gade Munyo. Where is he? Where is he? Ha ha ha. It's the Kid Cool G. This is the place to be every Sunday. Every Sunday. Male.
I'm just feeling like the throne is for the taking.
Somebody say, hi, hater!
I'ma sip until I feel it, I'ma smoke until it's done. I don't really give a fuck if my excuses that I'm out. And I'm only getting older, somebody should have told you I'm all gone. Yeah, fuck it, I'm all gone. Yeah, I'm all gone. Fuck it, I'm all gone.
Rockstar lifestyle, might don't living life high, everything keep sipping on first up, rolling up stank. Wake up in the morning, 10 o'clock, party, let's get ice, ready for me, baby girls. Keeping life break, keeping for this show like jet.
I'm taking rum. If you wasted, make some noise. What you drinking? Put your guns in the air right now. Bottle, huh? But I do get a wicked like
Kevin Miller.
It's your motherfucking turn.
Yo!
Of the motherfucking
What my people from Big City? Lord,
Big Mo, we know we know them the soldiers. Big Mo, we know them.
yeah! If you from out of town, make some noise.
We know them soldiers. We know them soldiers. We know them soldiers.
Uh-oh!
So bitch, get your mind right. Bitch, get your mind right.
Who fait cash son Toyota? If you gotta bring your Toyota, make some noise. Oh, ça y est là. Oh, vous connaissez ici, nous y nous même nous pas faire monde. Nous pas faire monde. Haïtien pas d'immigration, you make some noise. All my people that came to the state, you had a visa, make some noise. Tout le monde qui est résident actuellement là, make some noise. Côté monde qui a voté aux États-Unis, mon citoyen, make some noise. Côté monde qui est là, you can leave your TPS, so please make some noise. You know what I mean? So get one. Go by and get back home run. Actually, every Sunday, it's a G5 entertainment thing. Only the people out here I know always come out here because they love it. It's my independent women, all my ladies that know you don't need no nigga, make some noise.
Cut the music up. Real loud.
Virginia,
Yeah.
happy birthday, Sam.